Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the chic world of minimalist holiday decor, where simplicity meets sustainability and elegance. Let's get started, shall we? Before we embrace the new, let's make room for it. Are there decorations from holidays past that no longer excite you? Now is the time to thank them for their charm and let them go with grace. Decluttering isn't about emptiness. It's about creating a canvas for what truly matters. Start with one room, one drawer, one ornament at a time. Does it bring you joy? Does it embody the holiday spirit you desire? If not, thank it and bid it adieu. Visualize how each carefully chosen decoration will stand out, shining brightly against a backdrop of calm and order. Decluttering is an act of self-care, a gift you give yourself and your home. So, let's embark on this journey with open hearts and a commitment to creating a space that truly reflects the joy and elegance of the holiday season. Nature, in its abundance, offers us the most exquisite decorations. Collect pine cones on a neighborhood stroll, feeling the invigorating winter air on your cheeks. Arrange them in an elegant bowl or craft a chic centerpiece with candles and sprigs of evergreen. Dried orange slices and cinnamon sticks, not only stunning to look at but also release a subtle, comforting aroma. Each element, unique and imperfect, tells a story of resilience and the passage of time. Embrace the allure of these imperfections and let them infuse your holiday haven with a touch of the outdoors. This holiday season, let's embrace decorations that exude timeless elegance. Opt for neutral hues and classic designs that can be cherished year after year. Picture a string of fairy lights, their soft glow infusing your home with a touch of magic, not just for the holidays but all year round. Think beyond the conventional holiday palette. A luxurious velvet ribbon in deep green or burgundy can adorn candles, napkins, or even create sophisticated ornaments for your tree. Select a few exquisite, timeless pieces that will bring you joy for years to come. Minimalist holiday decor is about curating a sense of timeless sophistication, where each element is chosen with intention and can be savored long after the holiday season has passed. Let's embrace the art of handmade elegance. There's a unique charm in handmade decorations, wouldn't you agree? Picture last year's holiday cards transformed into exquisite origami ornaments. Simple brown paper, twine, and a sprig of rosemary. Effortlessly chic and eco-friendly gift tags. Gather twigs from your backyard and craft a star, a symbol of hope and joy to adorn your door. The most meaningful decorations are those crafted with love and personal flair. Gather your loved ones, unleash your creativity, and design decorations that capture your family's unique spirit. Let's celebrate the elegance of minimalism, where every piece has a purpose and each decoration tells a unique story. Picture a mantelpiece graced with a single garland of fresh greenery, its subtle fragrance enhancing the ambiance. A stack of books, elegantly wrapped in plain paper and tied with twine, transforms into a chic and thoughtful gift. A bowl of pine cones, artfully arranged on a coffee table, becomes a stylish focal point, sparking conversation and connection. Embrace negative space. Allow your decorations to breathe, giving them the room to shine. This sense of spaciousness cultivates a feeling of calm and tranquility, inviting us to slow down and savor the present moment. Minimalist holiday decor is about curating a space that reflects your values and brings you joy. Thank you for joining me on this chic journey towards a more stylish and meaningful holiday season. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fabulous tips on mindful living. Share your own chic, minimalist holiday decor ideas in the comments below. From my heart to yours, I wish you a joyous and stylish holiday season filled with warmth, love, and cherished moments.